Okay, so we're doing a room tour of cabin 6306 on the Carnival Splendor. It's an inside cabin that can fit up to 4 people. As you can see, the room is currently set up as a 3-berth with the lower beds set up in the king configuration. The third bunk being just above them and the fourth being on the other side if it was down. On both sides of the king bed we have lamps that have both USB-A and USB-C connections. Moving around and we have the desk with the huge mirror. I had my birthday on this cruise, so the room steward put up this message on the mirror. At the bottom of the desk we have an Australian power outlet. On the other side we have an American outlet located behind the phone. Below the desk we have 4 drawers and a seat. Moving over and we have the TV with the safe just below. And below that we have the cooler. Moving along and we have the 3 cupboards. Once again, moving on, we have the bathroom with the shower, toilet, mirror and sink. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one.